in this country, in our country, get married on still young is the crime. Are you agree with it? Like Chef Uji, yeah?
I don't agree with that because we have learned from yeah, right. So it's totally wrong to have a
To make love, huh?
to make law like that. It's but if you want to make if someone want to marry young,
Yeah.
they can do it. Siri, right?
Serious.
What do you call
Not
it?
legal, huh?
Undercover.
Undercover.
But it will be valid, legal in the Islamic law. But it's Indonesian government, so I think the law is not too harsh, right? Not too harsh, not too binding, to mengikat, because it's not too important. But the most important thing is to change how most Muslim parents think for their children. So most Muslim parents think the children is only child. So they don't think that the children has a special need for marriage, marry, something like that. So the way that most Muslim parents think should be changed totally. That's all, man.
Alright. New question, no?